In this video, you'll learn how to manage your orders directly from Google Sheets with Fixeets. To get started, head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace and install Fixeets Orders. Just click Install to add it to your Google account. In a new Google Sheets tab, open the Fixeets console from the Extensions menu. If the extension doesn't show up, it's because you have multiple accounts connected to your browser without the extension installed on them. Log into Fixeets for the first time and generate your workspace. 4 Google spreadsheets will be created to save and store all your data. Once your workspace is ready, you can add all your products. To create your products, click on New Product and fill in the form. All the information will be saved directly in the associated Google Sheet. You can also import your existing data and paste your values directly following the columns. After any change in the Google Sheet, refresh the console. Once your products are created, you can create your first order. In Orders, click on New and fill in the information. Add a new customer and select the ordered items. Once done, confirm to create the order. You'll find there all the actions and statuses you need to track your order's progress. Fixeets lets you create your own quotes and save them directly to your drive. Once the quote is signed, you can also save it, and your order status will change automatically. At any time, you can add specific information about the order status, invoice sent, payment received, or order in preparation. You can now create and track all your orders from a single interface. You can also share it securely with your team. To do this, go to the menu and select Sharing and Permissions, then add a new collaborator. Enter their email address and select the features you want to share with them. Once saved, an email will be sent directly to their inbox so they can open the app from any device, phone, computer, or tablet. You can also access the web app by scanning the QR code or opening the available link. You'll find all the information about your order tracking directly in the available analytics. You now know how to manage your orders efficiently with Fixeets. Discover all our features and tutorials on our website and download Fixeets Orders.